Welcome to Salesforce Guru channel. If you want to learn Salesforce, you're at right place. Welcome to Roadmap to Salesforce series. Please kindly watch till end and like and subscribe if you like video. If you want to learn Salesforce but you don't know where to start and how to start Salesforce, don't worry, we will provide all necessary information in this video. Trailhead is Salesforce's free online learning platform designed to help users learn about Salesforce and related technologies. It provides a structured way to gain skills and knowledge through interactive, self-paced courses, known as trails, which are tailored for different roles and skill levels. Here's a breakdown of what Trailhead offers. 1. Learning modules and trails. Trails. These are guided learning paths that consist of multiple modules. Trails are organized around specific roles or topics, such as Salesforce Administrator, Developer, or Marketing Cloud Specialist. Modules. Individual units within trails that focus on specific concepts or skills. Each module includes lessons, quizzes, and practical exercises to reinforce learning. Projects. Hands-on challenges that allow you to apply what you've learned in a practical, real-world context. Projects are often accompanied by step-by-step instructions,